my field no longer deep, eclipsed by hint the morning with hydrogen days conceived. I receive again with my arms fully extended, while perceiving an utterly childlike dependence on the water, land, and oxygen. She transmutates all my carbon I breathe. Is this a waking dream? What is real? What is construct? Is this string not what it sees? Dimensions with waves of possibility. Has this all happened before? This time will I transform before I leave? I receive again with my arms fully extended, while perceiving an utterly childlike dependence on mother. I receive again with my hope newly landed, while perceiving and understanding our connection to the water, land, and oxygen. She transmutates all my burden I breathe. I breathe all the way down to my feet. I breathe to calm my anxiety. I breathe slowly, inhale consciously. I breathe so my breath embodies me. I breathe so my breath embodies me.